Imagine you're holding the world's most impressive phone in your hands. What would it look like